Hello and welcome. Today, we will guide you through the process of enabling and disabling the PDF viewer in Google Chrome. This feature allows you to view PDF files directly in the browser without needing to download them. We will cover the built-in method through Chrome settings, and we will also show you an alternative method using browser extensions. Let's start with the built-in method. Open Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right corner of the browser window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. A new tab will open showing Chrome's settings. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see several options. Click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome manages data, permissions, and website content. Next, click on Site Settings. This will open a list of permissions and content types that websites can use while you browse. Scroll down until you see Additional Content Settings. Click on this option to reveal more advanced settings. Under the Additional Content Settings, select PDF Documents. Here, you'll find a toggle that says Download PDF files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. If you want Chrome to automatically open PDF files in the browser, make sure this toggle is turned off. When the toggle is off, Chrome will display PDF files directly in the browser window without downloading them. If you prefer to download PDF files without opening them, turn the toggle on. When this option is enabled, Chrome will always download PDF files to your computer instead of showing them in the browser. Once you've made your selection, you can close the Settings tab. Your changes will be applied immediately. Now, let's look at an alternative method using browser extensions. Chrome offers many extensions that give you more control over how the browser handles PDF files. Using an extension can give you additional features, such as the ability to choose different PDF viewers or customize how PDF files are displayed. To install an extension, follow these steps. Open Google Chrome. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the window. Hover over Extensions and select Manage Extensions. On the Extensions page, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, then select Open Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, type PDF Viewer in the search bar and press Enter. Look through the available extensions and select one that meets your needs. Some extensions allow you to disable Chrome's built-in PDF viewer, while others provide more advanced PDF viewing options. Click Add to Chrome next to the extension you want to install. A confirmation message will appear. Click Add Extension to proceed. Once the extension is installed, its icon will appear in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on the extension icon to access its settings. Most extensions will allow you to choose how PDFs are opened, whether within the browser, downloaded automatically, or viewed in a separate PDF viewer. Extensions can provide more customization and advanced features than Chrome's built-in PDF viewer, making them a good option if you frequently work with PDF files. To summarize, Chrome allows you to control how PDF files are handled through its built-in settings. If you want more customization, browser extensions offer additional features and flexibility. By following these steps, you can easily enable or disable the Chrome PDF viewer according to your needs. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful.